Hey, no cheating.
Good job, Dominic. Good job.
It's mine.
It's yours. Where is it?
Corey.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot of water, though.
Don's gonna get it.
I'm gonna fight. Here. Jeez.
Hey, Corey.
It's okay. Uh-oh.
Oh, you should have told Dominic. You didn't get one.
It's okay. He had his this morning.
I don't let him get them. No, they did it too yesterday.
Well, no, but I meant he just had it. He just got the stuff.
Oh. Oh, darn. There goes the candy. Is that it? Is there any in the patio?
What are you?
She got someone's.
Hey, guys, come on.
Oh.
What are you doing?
It broke
Corey.
open and it fell out right there.
10 seconds, has it? He just took a bite of the coffee beans in the house.
Okay, kids, can you say Happy Easter?
Okay, come here, Alan and Corey.
Right here.
Let's take a picture
Come on.
together. Come here. Let me, no, come here. Go where Corey's at. Okay, sit.
There's ants there, I think.
Right there where they're at?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hurry.
If they start like...
I'm just gonna stand.
Okay, go behind them.
They tend to hang there on the
Right.
apricot tree.
Oh, okay. Alan, just sit real quick. Daddy, get out of there.